I didn't want to make a video like this, but we're going to make a video like this. I just got off work, and I was wondering why my car sounded like I had a dog box for a week, and I was just curious. I was like, oh, I'm going to just check it out this weekend. It's probably that wheel bearing again. No, not a wheel bearing this time. You ready for this? Your E46 sounds like a dog box. It's probably this. That annoying ass whine that you're hearing. Come on underneath here, and I'll show you exactly what you're hearing. That sound that you're hearing is probably your center support once it's left the building. As you can see, it shouldn't have that much play. I heard this like bearing start to seize up, and then after it seized up, it melted the bushing all the way around. So if you guys can, check your center support bearing if you start hearing some funny sounds, okay? Don't be like me. Don't just put shit off, because when you put shit off, it gets bad like this. I'm gonna take this off and then tap that off. Which I know I can fix this, so I'm not stressing, but like, you guys be better than me. Don't be like me. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna drive the drift car to work for about a couple days. So, like I said, the center support bearing was done, and as I said, it seized up, so the inner bearing doesn't move. And I kind of destroyed it taking it off because I did this to get away, because I don't think there's actually a proper tool to do this job. Pretty sure there's not. But it made all types of wretched sounds, like horrible sounds when it went bad. So your car started to sound like a dog box, and you'll wonder where that sound comes from. You'll think it's a wheel bearing. It's not. And then when it finally fails, it'll sound like a screeching bitch underneath your center console. And that's when you know it's cooked, and it's probably cooking itself. You'll start to smell burning rubber. And then you're going to put in the new one, and your new one's going to be all nice and facing the proper way and spinning freely the way it's supposed to. Don't mind all the extra dirt, because I just didn't clean it all off because I didn't give a fuck. Don't be like me. Be better. This car is like rust free, and I'm treating it like it's a fucking shit box. But I've had it for a long time, and it's got over 200,000 miles. Enjoy your BMW. Don't baby it. Drive that motherfucker.